Hello, welcome to another episode of JavaScript coding. So today we're gonna learn about variables. So variable is like what you learn in math basically. So like a letter that means something, like a variable. Well, anyways, let's get started. So before you watch, please like and subscribe. Okay, so variable is when you replace a number with a word. So let's say this says app. Okay, I'm gonna start over. So this is a little bunny. So they want us to put two variables. So first you put var like this, and then a space. Well, you don't really need a space, but we put something like x equals, and then you put a number here, and you put a semicolon. Your shiny new variable look awesome. Now replace both width and height of ellipse with the variable you just made. Remember, the variable is the thingy at the left of equals. The value is the thingy at the right. Okay, so it says the variable is the one on the left and the value is the one on the right. Okay, so now they want us to replace the width and height of ellipses. So which one is eyes? Okay, this is right here. It says I. So anyways, I'm gonna put variable, and right here, this is the width of it, and this is the width and the height of it. So I'm gonna put 10 there, and I'm gonna replace this with 10 because I know it's supposed to be 10 because it says 10. So I'm gonna replace that with x. Okay, done. Now try changing the size of eyes by changing the value of your variable. So you can change the size now because this is equal to this. Next step. So they want us to make another variable and on the left for left tooth and right tooth. So Bucky's buck teeth are drawn as rectangles. The last number is the height of the rectangle. Create a variable to store the length of the teeth so that you can change the length of both buck teeth at once. So I'm gonna put var. I'm gonna call it teeth. Teeth. So this is supposed to be left tooth, and right tooth. So this is supposed to be right here. So it's 10. So I'm gonna put 10. Now I'm gonna replace this with teeth. So basically a variable just replaced the number. So now it's a teeth. It says teeth. So this is still equal to that. It says now try changing the length of the teeth by changing the variable of your variable. Okay, so I'm gonna change it up here. No, change both of these. Oop, that's too long. Ooh, that's cute. Okay, we're done now. Now for a harder challenge. So today you can learn that the variable y and not the variable y and x, but any variable can be put where you can add a subtraction sign and an addition sign to it. So I'm gonna start over. Yes. So it says fill an ellipse. So it needs us to create that. So since this picture is what we want after, see your code in this step should output something that looks like this. So we're gonna be making the mouth right now. So I'm gonna put mouth. Froggy mouth. Okay, now I'm gonna write the lips. So first they want us to put a fill command. So it's gonna be black because that's black. So oop. Black. What's happening? Oh, this is froggy mouth. Okay. Oh, that's why it's inside. Oh. Okay, so it's gonna be black, and then I'm gonna put froggy mouth. Now I'm gonna put it on top here. Froggy mouth. So this just make it easier to identify if each code do what. So now that I have the fill, I should put the lips. Lips. 10. I normally should start off with 10 and then I can move it and change the shape inside this. Like I told you. Oh, I missed a semicolon. So anyways, this will change the side and side length. So, and I'm gonna bring it down. So there's a mouth, but that's too tiny. Oh, the goal of this challenge is to use a variable to control the position. Try using X and XY to position it. Check the hint code. Okay. Relax, dude. Okay, I'm just gonna do this first and then do what they say. Wow. So this will change the height, like height wideness of the mouth. So, hey you, what are you doing to my mouth? Let go of my mouth, dude. Okay, so I'm gonna move it down a bit because that's so weird. There you go. Okay, so there's the mouth. So, but we need to put variables like this, X and Y. So I'm gonna replace this with X. X. Y. Incredible, you can do it. Okay, next step. They want us to make 2 rectangles. So I'm just gonna copy and paste. To make sure to get most of these out of challenges, we disable pasting code from outside. Would help your brain solidify. Okay, then. Ooh, so as you see in here is for the eyes. So I'm gonna put eyes. So it says rect. Oh yeah, and just to remind you, rect is rectangle. And then something. And then y and then minus something. Oops. Something. And then 10. And then that, and then that. So that's one rectangle down. But I still need to move. Okay, so why do we need to put this? Why can't we just put the number? Well, there is actually a reason. I'm not doing this for nothing. So, you see, this is X. So when I move X, we'll move the whole thing. Well, you know why? Okay, look at this. No stroke, fill command. Okay, this is a nice froggy green. Okay, anyways, this is because the coding, this number represents this, but this number represents all of this. So when I put XY's here, so the XY is equal to the froggy mouth, but we don't want all of them to be in the place of the froggy mouth. So we subtract them. So when we change it, this will change, but this will change with it because it will also change the value of that. So let's make another eye. And all I need to do is move the X value. Nope, wrong place. Hey, look at this. His eyes look so interesting. Is there something wrong? Oh, I know. It says addition because this is negative and 2 negative. Oops. 2 negatives make a positives. Done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.